Should I use an AirTag to track my pet? That was my question when first seeing the AirTag. Apparently, that's not recommended by Apple. There's a nice article on the Fast Company website that's related to this question. Basically, the AirTag is designed to track things, not beating hearts. And yet, searching Amazon.com for AirTag pet collar yielded lots of results. So, being in the Christmas cheer, I decided to give away an AirTag as a gift, but not before playing with it first. I even got it engraved with the cat emoji, but this particular AirTag is going to be tracking keys. Hopefully I won't have to answer the question, "Where are my keys?" anymore. They're usually in the house, but where? Where exactly? Will this AirTag eliminate stress and make it easier to find the keys? Let's get to the unboxing. A little tab is used to tear open the seal so the box can be opened. It's not complicated packaging, which is nice. Even better, it simply says AirTag on the inside. That's the greeting I want to see. It's plain and simple. It lets me know that I bought the right thing. The packaging is really cute. It comes with these 3 little booklets, and everything has rounded edges. So curvy. The AirTag rests in the center. After pulling it out, I could see that there's a wrapping around it. This peeled off easily, except for the last part, as the wrapping is attached to the inside. Pulling it out all the way activates the AirTag. It makes a little chirping sound to let you know it's working. Nice. Here's a closer look at the emoji engraving. This is also really cute. Adorable. The setting it up should have been easier though, as I had a little trouble at first. Basically, you're supposed to hold your iPhone next to the AirTag. After they connect, the AirTag can be named. I called it cat emoji. But for some reason, the AirTag setup could not complete. After some frustrating moments, I simply restarted the iPhone. Then it worked. Nice. And there it is. The iPhone knows that the AirTag is near. Yet I still had this nagging question. Should I be using this with a pet? In particular, Fluffy, the star of Fotix TV. Well, she never leaves the house, so that answers that question. So we got a stunt double, the bunny. Bunny, where are you? Bunny! That's one of the reasons not to use the AirTag as a pet tracker. It's not a GPS. The AirTag relies on other Apple devices being nearby. Fortunately, that was the case in this park, as the location of the bunny was revealed. Precision finding works on newer iPhones using ultra-wideband technology, so it was easier to find the bunny. And there's the bunny, sporting quite the decorative earring. Another reason I don't want to use the AirTag as a pet tracker is the chirping that it makes. Fluffy is a spoiled princess cat. She startles easily. The beeping noise is kinda loud. That might make Fluffy panic and run off. One more thing, I did another test. Apple says that the AirTag is splash, water, and dust resistant. So I dropped it in a glass filled with some sparkling apple cranberry juice. Now, I'm not recommending that you should do the same, but it was nice to see that the AirTag was still functioning after that test. Do you use the AirTag to track your pet? Do you like the AirTag in general? You can leave a comment to let everyone know. Thanks for watching.